Hello traders, welcome to the updates on our weekly analysis. So basically we are going to take a look at the market to know, to see what is going on, how is the market reacting to our weekly analysis, then of course what is the way forward. Right, so without wasting much time, let's jump right into the charts. So currently, as you can see, we are on the gold chart and this is the 1 hour time frame. So the direction right, it's already here on the screen. As you can see, we projected for sales. So basically, if you go back to the uh, weekly analysis, you will get to see that I was looking forward to see a price go bearish. And of course, I expected to see a push to this supply before we could see price hit to this zone or drop to this zone. So we can see on Monday, price did respect the support, push towards the supply. Of course, it did not hit exactly at my zone, but of course, when you look at this, um, right, so you get to see that from this level, this is where we have this supply right here. So you can see price did tap into this supply, and of course from that supply we did see a continuous drop in price. So currently price is in our zone. So I'm going to step up to the 4 hour time frame. So what is the expectation? The expectation here is simple. We have a next zone right here. Today is Thursday and tomorrow it's Friday. Probably you're gonna be having NFP tomorrow, and of course there is expectation for some continuous drop in price. That is from my analysis. So basically what are we going to be doing if we see a break in this zone? If price breaks below this zone, so obviously it's just going to be a straight drop into this demand zone. So this is ultimately where I'm looking forward to see price drop towards, so which is the 31.25 to 30.78 zone, price zone. So that is my expectation. I need to see a break below this zone, then of course price should drop towards this zone. And when you take a look at the left hand side, it is a free fall because there is basically nothing on the left hand side to resist the drop in this price. So this is it on gold. It is still playing as expected. Now of course, let's quickly jump to the next, which is US30. US30, I specifically stress that I'm going to be looking for bullish moves only because I'm seeing price to push in the bullish direction. So this is it. My overall target is at this point. As you can see, I already measured the range. I'm expecting 1,900 pip range. So this is the overall target. Of course, this is my conservative target because of where price closed and then we did have a gap. So this is acting as a good resistance level. So in the event of price pushing higher, I'm going to be looking forward to exit at this level. Of course, if you are still going to be holding, then of course you have to secure at least 80 to 90% of your profit. Then of course you can allow the 10 to run to see if it's going to head towards this level. So of course we did have a very nice entry opportunity on US30 because price pushed towards the previous supply, and we did see a quick drop yesterday to grab liquidity at this demand area. And of course we did see a sharp rejection in the direction of the bulls. So currently price is reacting to this level right here. So you can see there is a resistance at this point. So basically this is the area price is actually reacting to. So it is a resistant cum supply. So as you can see at this level, this is the 4 hour time frame, we did see an imbalance that led to a nice drop in price. and price had retested that zone. So practically that is where we are seeing some reaction right about now, but I'm still expecting to see a nice breakout at this point. So US30, I'm still positive in the bulls. I'm expecting a nice breakout, a very clean range towards the 41,750. So everything is still on play, is as expected, as anticipated. So the game plan is still on. So this is it. Just wanted to bring this your way this Thursday for us to see how far the market has gone with respect to our analysis. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, please kindly like the video and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that whenever I drop content like this, you will be the first to be notified. And I still remain your humble host, Mr. Wex. So see you in the winning side. Peace.